Hello guys, welcome back to Easy Drawing Club channel. It's Rad here. Today we are going to learn how to draw Roblox. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of our videos. What you need is paper, marker and something to color with. So his head, we'll be drawing his head first. 2 straight lines down. And these are connected with a curved line. The bottom of his head, make it slightly longer. Bottom of his head is curved, make sure you curve it first and connect it with a straight line. Now we need to draw his cap, which is curved line and slightly less curved line, just like that. He also has Roblox logo here, which is just like that, and his eyes will be 2 ovals and of course smiley face. So now we need to draw his body, which is quite wide, like that. Make sure it's equal. We'll be drawing his collar first, which is 2 straight lines like this and 2 lines down just like that. Now we need to draw a line here and line here. Then curve, or if you want, straight line in angle down and back a bit and then straight. So down, back a bit and straight. Same on the other side. Down, back a bit and straight. Now connect these two by straight line. And now we'll be drawing his arm. So that is from here, straight line slightly in angle down and then down like that. Same here. Down and down. Now his arm goes like that. And down. Same on the other side. And down. Now connect these two and draw his hands, which is down and curve and down and curve and back. Same on the other side. Down and curve and down, curve and back. Right, now we need to draw his leg. We'll finish these 2 lines right to the bottom and we'll be drawing his legs now. So his legs are just down and down. Then down and change direction slightly. Down and change direction. So now make a straight line to connect these 2 points, and we need to draw his shoes now. So that carries down, this one as well, and connect. That carries down, same as that, and connect. This one slightly bigger than this. Now down, straight, straight, down, down, straight, straight. Roblox character is finished. Now we are ready to color it in. So guys, Roblox character finished. This leg is a little bit bigger than this one, but it's absolutely fine. The main important thing is to have fun. Bye!